Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter halwa at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including semolina, sugar, ghee, and water. Begin by preparing a light sugar syrup. Simply dissolve sugar in water over medium heat. Next, in a separate pan, roast 1 cup of semolina in about 2 tablespoons of ghee until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a fragrant aroma. This step is crucial for the halwa's texture. Now, carefully and slowly pour the warm sugar syrup into your roasted semolina. It's important to stir continuously during this process to ensure the mixture remains smooth and lump-free. Keep stirring on a low to medium heat. You'll notice the halwa beginning to thicken and pull away from the sides of the pan, indicating it's cooking perfectly. This stage develops the rich, creamy texture. To enhance the flavor, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder. This adds a wonderful traditional aroma. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of extra butter, which will give your halwa an incredibly rich and smooth texture. Continue to stir until the butter is fully melted and absorbed. Finally, garnish your delicious butter halwa with your favorite chopped nuts, like almonds or pistachios, for a beautiful presentation. Your delicious butter halwa is now ready to be served. For the best experience, enjoy it warm. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Reheat gently before serving again. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.